hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. Here's what I got going on today. Got a floor here in my kitchen that we had installed, I don't know, a year and a half, 2 years ago, and it's holding up all right. But I'm getting down on my knee here, right over here, underneath this carpet in front of the sink, is one of the boards that's got a gap there, which I didn't notice until after the guy left that did the install. So all the other boards are fine, except for that one. So we're going to try to push that together to see if I can butt that up. The end of it is right there against one of the cupboards. So that's what we're dealing with. Let's see if I can fix that. Mat covers it up, but it's driving us kind of bonkers. So let's dive into this project. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is clean this crack out, which isn't too bad. It's got some grunge in there. So I got my trusty sweeper out, and I'm going to clean it out. That's step one. Alright, here's the next step. I got this double-sided tape. I think I spent like 10 bucks for it. Nah, it wasn't that much, 700 bucks. It's carpet tape. Carpet tape? Supposedly to help bugs from slipping. It's very well packaged, I'll tell you that right now. Got some more tape in the center. Must have been a bonus tape. Oh, it says it's a gift on the front there. I don't like how this all came apart on this side. I'm not even going to worry about that. So I'm supposed to be able to put this tape down on a piece of wood and then tap the wood with my hammer to push this back in. So we'll see how that works. So I gotta get a pair of scissors, which ironically are right in arm's reach. So tape a piece of wood to this and then tap it in place. I'm not very optimistic on this one. Let's see what happens. Got my tape on there. Probably should clean the floor, but I don't care about that. See if it sticks. If it doesn't stick, then I'll clean the floor with some alcohol or something. That's what that looks like. Actually, it looks like drywall tape. So let's go back over here. There it is. Oh boy, I hope I can get that off. That's gonna be the hard part. Let's see if this works. It's actually moving. Hey. Holy moly. That actually worked. Alright, Finn. That's a win. If this video helped you out, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm going to try to pull this piece of wood off without doing any damage. Got this guy here supervising. What's up, buddy? Yeah, he's not digging it. Oh, that was cake. So, I'll link the tape in the description. I'll put a link for this flooring too. It was from Lumber Liquidators. So, piece of cake job. Actually only took me a few minutes. That's about it.